Hello guys, welcome back into Quotex Trading YouTube channel, where I bring you the latest and the most effective trading strategies for you. And guys, today I am back with another video where I am going to explain 1 minute best working strategy for Quotex platform. Guys, today we are going to use deadly combination of RSI and parabolic together. And by using this trading concept, guys, you can easily make huge profit in every market. Like if you are trading in currencies or you are going to trade in OTC market, this trading strategy will help you to earn huge profit if you know how exactly you are going to use it and how exactly you will get the confirmation of the market, like where to trade, where not to trade, and guys, for how long we can trade. Like we are going to use for 1 minute, for 2 minutes, for 3 minutes, or even for 5 minutes. Everything I am going to teach you in this video step by step. So guys, watch this video till the end and don't miss any part of this video, because this video is very important to make huge profit and to boost your trading games on the next level, guys. So guys, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel if you are watching this video for the first time, and keep your notifications on for upcoming latest trading videos. Alright, as I told you guys, we are going to use a deadly combination. So just click on this indicator section. You can see there is an option of parabolic SAR, just click on it. And guys, now you can see the values of parabolic are by default, but we are not going to use this parabolic indicator with default values. We will make some changes. So what are the changes? Let me tell you guys. You can see this is first value, which is acceleration, and next one is maximum acceleration. So we are not going to use second one. We will do some changes in first one. So just click 2 times, and now guys, you can see the difference of by default and manual setting. All right, so guys, just click on back and go in oscillators, and you can see there is an option of RSI. Just click on it. All right, so guys, now keep attention. We will use default values of RSI indicator. We are not going to make any changes in RSI oscillator. All right, so now guys, what is the concept and how we will get the confirmations where we will trade, or like in which direction we will get the confirmations. Before I tell you all these details, guys, make sure guys you create your Quotex account if you don't have your Quotex trading account by using my link given in the description below of this video. And guys, also you can join me on my Telegram channel where I provide high quality trading signals, which is totally free of cost, guys. Also, this is my personal Telegram ID, guys. Alright, if you are facing any issues like in your deposit, withdrawals, verifications, or in like in your loss recovery, if you have any past losses, then guys, you can also text me on my Telegram ID. I will try to resolve your queries as soon as possible. So now guys, let's understand what is the RSI. Guys, you can see there are 2 values. This is 70 and next one is 30. Alright, so RSI is a momentum oscillator. You can see this is your RSI. Alright, so this is your momentum oscillator. With the RSI, guys, we can find overall trend with the RSI, like in which direction market is going. Alright, we can also identify the speed of market, and we can also get help from the RSI in identifying the market momentum. Alright, price momentum. Alright, so what it is, I will tell you in easier words. So now guys, let's understand what is the parabolic. Parabolic is just for stop and reverse. If market trend is going in up direction, and parabolic, you can see this is the parabolic. Alright, if the position of parabolic is changing from down to up, above the price or down the price, so it's indicating us that this particular trend is going to reverse. So you can see parabolic, we write is parabolic SAR. Alright, so this means stop and reverse. So now guys, in combination, how we are going to use it, let me tell you. Alright, so first I need to see where is the RSI. This is your green line. If this green line is nearby 70, this is your 70 line. Alright, so if this green line is nearby 70, it means it's indicating us a up direction trend, and we will try to place our trade in up direction, but we need a confirmation from our parabolic. So if the position of parabolic is below the price, this is your price, green and red candle is the price. So if the position of this parabolic is below the price, that means it's also indicating us an upward direction trend. And after getting 2 confirmations, guys, we will easily try to place our trades in up direction. For how long? It's a very important topic, guys. If you are analyzing the market for 1 minute candle or for 2 minute candle, then you can easily trade at the same time frame. All right, so let's do some trading, then we will try to understand this concept. So now guys, you can see this RSI is moving nearby 30, and let's wait. After 2-3 seconds guys, we will try to place our trades in upward direction. So now guys, you can see I invested $600 in upward direction. And what is the logic and how I am trading guys, let's understand. All right, so you can see this is your price. All right, and clearly guys, you can see the position of parabolic is below the price. All right, so if the position of parabolic is below the price, that means it's indicating us a up direction trend. All right, so this is my first confirmation. On the other hand guys, when I took my trade in up direction, at that time RSI was nearby 70, it's not nearby 30, so it's again is second confirmation for up direction trend. That's why I took two trades, 300 each in upward direction. And now you can see the both trades are going in our favor. Let's see what will be the result. At the same time, you can see market is already volatile. All right, still we have guys 6-7 seconds, and hopefully guys, we are going to book the profit in this trade guys. Let's see guys. All right, and it's done. So now guys, it's a basic concept. If you are aware, if you know how exactly you can use this concept, then trust me guys, you can make huge profit from the market. All right, so now let's understand here guys. We can easily place our trades in up direction. Let's see what will be the result. So what is the concept guys? Again, concept is very simple, very easy. When I switched the asset, then I saw this price is going in up direction. This is your first confirmation. On the other hand, the position of parabolic is below the price. All right, so this was your second confirmation. At the same time guys, if you can see, the position of RSI is nearby 70 zone. All right, this is your 70. So this is your third confirmation. That's why I took my trades in upward direction, and market is just following a doji at the same level where we took our trades. But let's see guys, what will be the result of our trades. Hopefully guys, we are going to win all these trades, but let's see guys, because you can see there is a small phase of resistance. All right, so if market will get rejections from here, then we will lose our trades. Otherwise, we are going to make huge profit in our second trades guys. All right, and in 1, 2, and guys, again you can see it's done. All right, so this is the basic concept guys, and trust me guys, this is a deadly combination if you know how to use parabolic with RSI. All right, you can make huge profit guys. All right, so now guys, you can see I explained how you can trade in up direction. Now let's understand how we will try to place our trades in down direction. So if we want to trade in down direction, what all confirmations we required. All right, so first confirmation, let's see, forget this part, let's understand only this part. Okay, so just focus on highlighted part guys. All right, so this is your highlighted part. So first you have to see where is the price. So price is going in down direction. Clearly guys, you can see with your naked eyes. All right, and this is your first confirmation. Second confirmation, you guys, you can see the position of parabolic is above the price. All right, above the price. So that means second confirmation is also for a down direction trade. Now come to the RSI guys. You can see here the RSI is nearby 30 line. This is your 30. So nearby 30, that means RSI is also indicating you a down direction. So all three confirmations are for down direction, and you can see market is coming down. We can try to place our trades here, 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 like this. All right, again in current situation guys, you can see candles are coming in down direction, price is coming in down direction, RSI is also nearby 30. Both confirmations are for down direction trend, but your parabolic is not confirming you a down direction trend. That's why you will not trade for down direction. If you will trade guys, then it can be a risky trade guys. All right, so you have to know where you have to trade, where you have to avoid guys. All right, this is equally important, where you are trading it, where you are not trading guys. All right, so if we get the confirmation from parabolic as well, then we will try to place our trades in down direction. All right, so I hope now you know where you can trade for up direction, where you can trade for down direction. Already guys, you can see we made huge profit in this session. Now come to some advanced parts guys. All right, what it is, like first understand guys. Also guys, make sure you like this video and keep motivating me so that I can create more content for you in very easy way. And guys, don't forget to join my Telegram channel where I provide you high quality trading signals. All links are given in the description below of this video. And guys, now let's understand the advanced part which I told you. This is your price which is going in up direction. Parabolic is also supporting your price. This is your second confirmation. RSI is nearby 70. This is your third confirmation, and according to all these confirmations we will try to place our trades in up direction. Alright, now what is the advanced part? If this RSI crosses your 70 line in upward direction, that means RSI indicating you this trend is in overbought. Alright, this is already bent in overbought. That means it can happen, then market can get reversals at any point of the price, guys. Alright, so if the market is in overbought and RSI is indicating you above 70, alright, and parabolic is supporting, no matter guys, if anything is going in overbought, like this is your price, the candles are going in up direction, and let's suppose this RSI crosses 70 in up direction, then at such points guys we will not try to place our trades in up direction. Alright, because market can get reversals at any point of movement, guys. Now what is the second confirmation? This is again same. This is market which is coming in down direction, parabolic is supporting. Let's suppose if RSI crosses your 30 in downward direction, that means it's already become in oversold region, then we will not try to place our trades in down direction. Alright, at these levels, guys. Now what will happen if RSI is nearby 70 and your parabolic is shifting from down to up of the price? Alright, because you can see this is your parabolic, position of parabolic is below the price, and let's suppose parabolic shifted from below to above position of the parabolic. That means it's also indicating us that this trend is going to be reversal. And guys, at these points we will not trade in up direction. Alright, same, you can see this is your price which is coming in down direction, parabolic is supporting. Alright, and here you can see parabolic shifted from above to down, and now you can see market is going in up direction. So this is all the confirmations which we are getting from the parabolic and RSI. That's why we are using this combination, and we can make huge profits. So I'll try to place few trades of $700. Let me check in which direction, guys, we can trade. Can I switch the asset? Definitely we can. And guys, you can see after few seconds, like, let's wait. Here guys, we can try to place our trades in down direction. So now guys, you can see I invested huge amount in down direction. Let's see what will be the result of these trades and what is the concept, how I am analyzing the market that this candle will go in down direction. Let's understand, guys. Alright, first you can see market overall trend is in down direction. First confirmation. Second confirmation, guys, you can see the position of parabolic is above the price, and you know, if the position of parabolic is above the price, it's indicate that market is in down direction. Alright, so second confirmation from where we are getting second confirmation from our parabolic. Alright, on the other hand, guys, if you look at the RSI, then you can see, guys, this is your 30 line and RSI line is nearby 30. Alright, so it's also helping us to identify that market trend is in down direction. So guys, overall we can see where is the market trend, where is the market momentum, and we can also see the speed of the market. And after getting all such confirmations, guys, I took my trades in down direction, and now guys, you can see I made huge profit during this session, guys. Alright, so this is the concept. I hope you understood how you can trade, where you don't need to trade, and how you can get some entries, where to exit. Everything I tried to explain.